Hey YouTube, what's up? Good morning. We're going on the road. You're gonna be hanging out with us today. Yeah? Kaija is gone to school. There's Kadian over there. And Kareem is right in front of me. There. All dressed up. And all that. So we're going. Yeah. Katie, open the door for me now. You know, I can't open the door. She won't come in the camera, Shirley. Alright. Guys, we're on the road, on the way to this chill. We're gonna do something today. We're gonna invite you in. We're gonna do a little bit of. We're gonna show you how why I got it, Katie. How much?
Oh, we're gonna buy some Jamaican products today, and
we're gonna show you what a certain amount of money can get you with the Jamaican products. The amount of money we can get with a certain thing, yeah. So I hope that you will like. Remember to like this video, remember to share this video, remember to subscribe to this channel, remember to just bless us up, man. It's a task getting to 1,000, but we're just hoping to get there. As Katie run a back, she run on her posting pictures on her Facebook. So yeah, Kareem, I want to say you see me on the picture, the glass. Yeah, so we're on the road.
so I want to get some Starbucks coffee. Yeah. So baby crying. You want coffee too?
Give me a biscuit.
So we're here trying to get some coffee. Kenny don't want the Starbucks. I'm gonna be having some Starbucks. Baby getting fussy in the background. You hear him?
People, I have breakfast. Starbucks.
And the first time I have Starbucks. Alright baby, alright.
I just Starbucks like that.
I tell him say him can get up every day and I live so.
I don't dig Starbucks that
I have to treat yourself.
I'm gonna treat myself to Tim Hortons a lot.
Alright. Baby want something.
Okay. So guys, we are at. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna be spending how much?
$50.
We're gonna show you what $100.
$50.
We're not spending no $50.
$50. We're not spending all the money.
We're going into the West Indian store to buy some stuff. I don't know on Katie. Here it.
$50.
What?
$50 we have to spend.
No, sir.
Go get something else.
No, but you have other thing. Come on, man.
$50.
No. No. We're going to show you what $100 can buy in this store that we are going into. Not going to show you the logo of the place, but we're just going to go in there. It's a West Indian store. We buy West Indian things. So, alright, stay tuned. So we're getting the grace. Then we have the grace, the Walker's Wood, jerk seasoning, spicy, hot and spicy one them they take up.
Enough is spicy?
Yeah.
You want it mine?
No. Take up the spicy one.
Which one is cheaper?
Eh?
The grace is cheaper.
Yeah.
But the Walker's will taste.
No, buy the Walker's.
The Walker's will taste cheaper. The grace tastes good to you, but the Walker's will taste.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear that, Grace and Walker?
More, to me, the Walker's would be more authentic. Big up Grace, but
Big up Grace.
the Walker's would nice too. We use the Grace too, don't get me wrong.
We use both because we have a Grace at home. We use both. Walkers would marinate, jerk, all kind of something. See that?
Different. Oh, you want them Scotch here?
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, one of them are nice. pepper, yeah.
Take up the ghost, that one about ghost pepper.
Jesus.
A duppy pepper that. Duppy pepper.
Let's try that one, yeah. You ready for the hot wings challenge?
You can manage that, you can manage. The mother challenge me. Challenge yourself.
For that, you buy one of this. Then you get more.
Okay.
Waiting. That's $5
Yeah.
and $3.
Yeah, take up because that's instant, that's why.
Yeah, if you think smart. Guys, if you think smart when you're shopping this country.
Yeah. You say $2 for one of them thing, yeah. $2.
We can pick up one for one carry go work.
Yeah, give me the almond. No.
Carry
go
one
with
go
that.
work.
I carry that go work, yeah. Yes, sir.
Remember when you get the current water.
Yeah. The guy just right go. So he's shopping and he see the syrup them down here, so.
Grace.
Syrup, grace.
The cola
syrup.
champagne.
Take up the cola champagne.
Cola champagne.
Grace. And yeah, cool running syrup over there, so. Cool running syrup over there, so. Alright. So you see what thing, you see where we are going?
Lasco.
Okay, define Lasco.
Guys, you can't leave out the Lasco, you have to get the Lasco. That's a must. Lasco.
Remember the aim, and remember the aim is $100.
Strawberry.
So guys, you remember what them there? What them cheese crunches? Remember these?
Cheese sunshine.
Cheesies and cheese crunches, so it look different or newer. I don't know if it's updated. Excelsior cheese crunches. Cheesies, sunshine snack. As them there?
Sunshine snack.
Sunshine.
Catch up, I love them here.
See them something there?
Catch up, I love that. Cheese crunches, guys.
Alright guys, you see that?
I love these.
These are the different Maggie. See Maggie, yeah, soup it up.
Not Maggie, Grace, sorry Maggie. Soup, chicken.
Oh, and then we have Caribbean Dreams, chicken noodle. I will make Caribbean Dreams.
The cat soup. When I put them in now
rice and stuff.
And then put something there. I like the beef one, you know. Chicken, spicy.
Take up one of that.
No, that's spicy chicken. Especially if I take the beef, I'll put it in my chicken.
Alright,
Take up, or we mix it. We like mix the chicken and the beef together. Yeah.
Together. Yeah.
Crackers.
Let me have
Excelsior cream crackers, guys.
crackers.
We get a little like everything here. This is nice. Cinnamon nut. Remember we used to eat it whole heap with Lasco?
Yes.
This and Lasco.
What is it?
Nice cup of Lasco, vanilla flavor and cinnamon crackers. Excelsior tough crackers are the bomb.
Oh yeah, say.
Are the bomb.
Alright, I'll get some meat.
Get some Maggi.
That's what I say. We have everything here. Peanut punch. No. Yeah. No, a single. Peanut punch. Grace, peanut punch. You mix up your peanut punch. I don't know what them say about peanut punch. Hold on. Huh? Alright guys. Guys, we get the crown water. We're on our water with wow. Now we're on our way.
Yeah, it's so good.
On our way home. Show them the back, Eddie. No, I mean, we show them the back with the case.
Crown water with wow. Not the case, but it bursts.
The case, we pull out some of that, put them in a plastic bag. So, So we're going to show you and then how much is it for things, right? So we have here what?
Peanut punch.
Peanut punch. What was it by Grace peanut punch. We have browning. We have one Grace something here.
Pepper.
Hot sauce.
Yeah, pepper sauce.
And we buy jerks Walker's wood thingy.
Yeah. More stuff for.
And we buy two ting and soft drink. I think we might put the price of the things on the screen. How we buy coconut milk over there.
This is a powder.
Coconut powder for the rice and peas. Syrup right here. So we have a box of Fosca oat. Ready mixed thing. Ready mixed oats. We have Lasco over here, so. We buy 3 Lasco.
Flavor, 2 strawberry.
And we have the crackers. We hold crackers, cream crackers.
We buy almond.
Yeah, them know say Lasco that. And then we have another cream crackers over there.
No, this is tough Kentucky.
Oh, that are tough crackers. Oh, tough crackers are one there. Sorry. And we have cheesy. Do you remember them thing?
Cheesies, babes.
Whatever they are. Cheesies. What are cheese crunches? But this is what it look like. Cheese crunches.
Sunshine snacks.
Sunshine snacks. Them right so.
Show them the Lasco baked bean.
And the Lasco baked bean. I never know so Lasco do baked bean. No,
of course.
I never knew.
Really?
So this is what we bought. And plus we bought Oxtail and Pigtail. Right? You're going to see the price of Oxtail and Pigtail on the screen and here.
We did patty. We did some patty.
And we buy a box of patty over there. So. And we buy, the cran water? We buy a case of cran water. You know, you're going to see on the screen too that I saw on the thing, we call it ICool, Lasco ICool, like cran water. Lasco ICool. I never knew I would have seen Lasco ICool when I see it in the store. You know, yeah, and that's it. That's really it, you know. So that's it, Katie. That's it. So that's it, Katie.
Kenton, forget him a Jamaican. Him can't remember some of the something there.
What remember?
Him can't even call him properly.
What is remember?
What you call?
Cheesy.
Cheese it.
I don't remember them. But
cheesies.
Yeah. So those are all the things we bought. You're gonna see
them everything.
Everything. You know, but more biting about. So you tell me what it costs in Jamaica with the same amount of money that we use in the Canadian conversion. You tell me.
How much all in the box of patty? How much you buy?
12.
Okay.
12 all in the patty box. I don't know how much you want patty at Jamaica, but it's what, $22? But you see all of the price them, alright? So guys, alright, so thank you for hanging out with us today. Yes. Remember to
subscribe to the channel. Like up the video, like the videos.
Don't get too. Yeah.
Like the videos, subscribe, share, guys, comment on our videos.
All right, so
we're on the road. We're still on the road to 1,000.
Please help us to 1,000. So all right, so guys, until we do another video, thanks for hanging out with us today.
Yes, guys.
This has been.
And remember to put God first in everything that you do. Okay.
All right, that's a fair slogan. All right.
You have to put God in everything.
All right.
Cause without God.
We're nothing.
We are nothing, okay?
Nothing. All right. Peace. We're gone.